what I like to do when I'm chipping or pitching a shot, I really like to pick somewhere out on the green. I really like to imagine the spot it's going to land, and then just from where it lands to the hole, I imagine the break of the green. So just kind of pick a spot where you want that ball to land. Go ahead and call it out to me so I can have an idea. I can keep you honest if it lands where you wanted it to.
So like you said, 3/4 of the way to the hole. So let's say somewhere in here, and it is breaking more to the right than I thought. So I think right in here.
Right there.
I need to be specific.
Awesome, awesome. And basically what that does is by being specific and truly imagining your shot, it keeps you honest on if you executed what you wanted. So we flew it a little short of our target, right?
Yep.
Ended up a little short of the hole.
Yep.
So it's probably just I wouldn't say power, but it's not using the right distance judgment. So let's just try to hit it a little bit more firm. Just a little past where we were talking.
So I'm still okay with those.
Yeah, no, definitely. They're makeable putts. But by identifying where you wanted the ball to land, we can kind of see where the error might happen. Does that make sense?
Better. Right.
Oh, yeah, those are getting better. So let's just hit a couple more of these. Really commit to it. Kind of imagine your shot. And then we'll move on to a different technique that I like to use. That's really good. That's about 2.5 feet there. All solid. So Quinn, we're going to move on to the next technique. It'll kind of help you with these because like you said, anywhere from here to here off the green, you should really be looking at trying to hole, if not give yourself a 6-inch kick in for par. Have you ever used your hybrid for putting?
I have not.
You've never used it? I mean, you see a lot of the Tour Pros use it, correct? So, I mean, if the Tour Pros do it, it has to be perfect, right? Maybe not perfect, but there's probably a reason why.
Okay.
So let's kind of, let's try it out. It's definitely something, it's another one of those things. You get the ball on the ground, rolls it like a putt, you treat it like a putt, you read it like a putt. And it's really one of those things
So
that
why
practice.
aren't we just using the putter?
So, yeah, that's a really, really good question. So obviously, you know, the green's cut the shortest. That's why we're using the putter because it's going to roll the whole way. There's not, it's tougher for the grain to kind of act on the ball, and it's not as bumpy. So here we have the fringe, the fairway run up, whatever you want to consider it. What this does is since it has more loft than the putter, it gets the ball up in the air just a little, kind of on top of this longer grass and rolling, so that it rolls smoother. Whereas like if you hit a putter with less loft, it would kind of kick into that grass and get up and bounce and kind of hobble along the line. Whereas this one, it actually kind of gets up on top of it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So basically, to answer your question, it's about the loft of the club. So we kind of treat this same as like a chip shot, same as like the shot we were just practicing. You kind of keep your feet just a little inside of shoulder width apart, grip down on the club, and you can actually use your putting grip. Then it's just a rock of the shoulders. Same kind of thing, same concept with the tees. You swing it about 1.5 feet, 2 feet back, 1.5 feet, and 2 feet forward. Here, I'll hit a couple. I'll just kind of show you the idea, and then we'll go from there. See how it kind of hops up, carries this until right about here, and rolls real